Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to morph transitions in Google Slides. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To create engaging transitions and animations in your slideshow, follow these steps to ensure a smooth and appealing presentation. First, start by designing the slides you want to transition between. Make sure the elements you want to animate or transition, such as images, text, or shapes, are consistent across these slides for a cohesive look. Once your slides are set up, go to the top menu and click on Insert. Then choose Image, followed by Upload from Computer to add the necessary images or animations. Select the file you want from your computer to upload it to your slide. After adding your images or other elements, you can animate them to make your presentation more dynamic. Click on the elements you wish to animate. These could be shapes, text boxes, or images. You can select multiple elements if you want them to animate together. To apply animations, right-click on the selected element and choose Animate. From there, you can choose the type of animation you want, such as fade in, slide in, or zoom. For smooth transitions between slides, click on the slide menu at the top and select Transition. In the Transition menu, choose the effect you want to apply between slides, like dissolve, slide, or flip. You can preview these transitions to see how they look and adjust as needed. If you want the same transition effect on all slides, there's usually an option to apply to all slides, ensuring consistency throughout your presentation. Once you've added animations and transitions, play the slideshow to preview your work. This helps you see how the animations and transitions flow together. You can adjust the timing and effects if necessary to get the perfect look for your presentation. Fine-tuning these settings ensures that your animations and transitions are smooth and match the tone and pacing you want to achieve. So that's basically how to morph transitions in Google Slides. So that's for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.